Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a custom thumbnail on YouTube with the help of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube management software. You can download it for free, but it does have other paid options, and the paid options give you more things you can do. Now, I'm already on a new video I just uploaded today, but I did not make a thumbnail for it. So with TubeBuddy already integrated into Chrome, I can go ahead and create a thumbnail for it right here. Just for the record, the title is Get Your Videos Ranked Top Page with TubeBuddy. And if you're curious to know how you can get your videos ranked top page with TubeBuddy, check that out. Right about now, I have a card coming up somewhere up here. So let's go back down and go to create thumbnail. Step one is the background. What type of background would you like for your thumbnail? I can do a still image from the video, I can do a solid color, or I can do an existing thumbnail. Now I can go ahead and start with a solid color, but at any point in time, if I want to go back, I can go ahead up here right above the color, and I can go to the image, or I can go to the still frame from the video. Let's say I want to do this one right here. Bam, I'll use this frame right here. If I want to adjust it, I can. Just right there. Let's go ahead to continue. And I'm going to use this image. At the bottom, I can see that it's locked. For the background, I can unlock it. And I click on it, and I can go ahead and adjust it. I can make it bigger, which I kind of want to do for this. And I can go ahead. Let's go ahead and put it that way instead. Actually, let's stretch this out more. Stretch this all the way out and go to that. That's too stretched out. So you can keep messing around with it. And like I said, you can do this portion for free, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, I'm gonna cut that last part out. I need to make sure that this is all the free version, but I'm pretty sure it is. So what I'm going to do is go up a little bit right there, so you can see it says YouTube. Bam, and I'm gonna leave it like that. So what I want to do is go to a shape. Let's add a shape in here. I'm gonna add an arrow, and I'm going to go right there. I'm gonna make this bigger, not that much bigger, but I can point it over here, leave it like that. I can go ahead and change the color if I want it. I'm gonna do a bright red right there. I'm gonna add another arrow, be the exact same arrow. And I forgot to lock the key. That's why you need to lock the background. Make sure you lock the background. And I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Actually, I'll put it over here this time. And I'm going to add another shape. So I want to circle this. Bam. Now you see how that oval overlaps over the arrow. I don't want it to do that. So what I'm going to do is go over here onto the other side. You can see that it says bring the front, send it back. I'm going to send that to the back. And as you can see, my arrow is above it this time. So let's go ahead and keep squeezing this down a little bit. And I got it encased, which is good. I want this to, I'm gonna have it be, I'm gonna keep it black. I'll bring this up, and I'm going to make another shape, and I'm going to say just ranked top or something like that. Top page first or something. Ranked first, ranked number one, something like that. So there you go. If I wanted to have something simple as that, I can go ahead and do that. Of course, you got other things over here. Like I got an image. If I wanted to put an image up here, like if I had YouTube image, which I do, I can go ahead and do that. Let's say I want to get rid of this image. Nothing, this has nothing to do with Facebook. Over here, it's a delete. Which got rid of it. Let's say I want to add another image. Let's go ahead and add an image. I'm going to go to see if I can find my YouTube. Where's my logos? Scroll all the way down. Here I got YouTube. Popped up. There it goes. I just added my own custom image. Squeeze that down. Not the best place to put it, but hey, it's up there, right? So it's up there. And I just created a thumbnail. What else could I do? Let's put an emoji in here just for record, just because. I mean, I love this. I love this page. So I'm going to put a heart there, right there, bigger than anything else. And I'm putting it in the background. And it looks stupid. So let's say I wanted to put some contrast on it. I can do that. Say I wanted to make it brighter, darker, or I can fade it out of existence. Make it very subtle so it's still there, but you can see everything else behind it. And if I like where it's at, I can lock the layer. But I'm going to go ahead and delete this and not worry about it. Okay, so I think I'm ready to go ahead and see how this stacks up against other people's thumbnails. So what I'll do is go to step 3 in the preview. And my joint says, get your videos ranked top page with TubeBuddy. This guy has new TubeBuddy SEO studio tool. That dude is more prominent, but we kind of are doing the exact same thing. But he got his face up here, so I would probably pick his over mine. It depends. Depends on who's ranked higher. And then you got this guy. And you could tell that most of these people, they actually don't use the thumbnail generator. Like these bigger name people, you know, they're not using thumbnail generator. But I mean, you're really not trying to compete with people that you are trying to compete with them, and you're trying to do it on a budget. So let me not even say what I was going to say at first. So like I said, I can rank how my thumbnail is in comparison to theirs from here. And I can go ahead and try to figure out, do I want to keep this thumbnail, or do I want to go back and say, hey, this ain't good enough, I got to do something else. I can go ahead and do that. I can go ahead, go back to layers, delete all layers. Yes. And then I can start from scratch. Say, hey, let's go back to the drawing board. So I really shouldn't delete all them layers, but I'm gonna make something else real quick just for Okay, so now I made another one. How does this one hold up in comparison to the other ones? It honestly would hold up pretty well if I could get rid of the background in my image, but I can't. So not up here, you can't do that. So it is what it is. But honestly, like let's look at this one. Let's look at that. I can squeeze past this one. I can get past this one a little bit, you know. I think I can beat these two. You can beat those two. I can't beat this one. Can't beat that one. Not gonna happen. This dude's giving me, I think I got a chance. I think I got a chance against him, but I would ultimately lose. I got a chance to get this one. I got a chance to get this guy. I got a chance against that one. Yeah. His is pretty good. His is pretty good. This one's cool too. See, this is something I would probably want to emulate the most. So this one's pretty good, but I think I still got a chance. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, all you got to do after that, you want to go ahead and save and publish. Yes, I want to publish this. Okay, so we go ahead and reload. So the only difference between the free version and the pro version is that the frames and the template, they're locked out, but you can still do everything else. So I've shown you how you can create a thumbnail. You can do it for free, but there are just two features that you might not even use, but there are two things that you could use if you go to the paid version. So let's check out the pricing. You have the pro version, which is $9 a month. You have the star version, which is $19, and you have the legend, which is $49. Each of these have a certain amount of features, legend being the most unlocked. You can, everything's unlocked for the legend. And I'll leave a link directly to the pricing in the description box. But let's go ahead and say you have less than 1,000 subscribers. Well, the pro version cuts in half. So now you got $450 a month. Let's say that you also will pay for the whole year up front. It'll go down 20% for all of them. So if you're under 1,000 subscribers and you're willing to pay for the whole year up front, which would be, I mean, it's less than $50 if you pay for the whole year up front. So that would be the best way for you to save money. Let's say that you have more than 1,000. It's, you know, you still save some money. It'll just go up to 72. I say 72, but it's $7.20. So is it worth it? I mean, I think it's worth it. I didn't show you all the other features that you can do with TubeBuddy, especially in the paid for version, but I'll get to all those in due time. So hopefully, like the information, it was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, share the channel. Click the bell notification button so you can get notified when new videos come out. Let me know what you think of the custom thumbnail. Do you think it's even worth trying? I will leave another link directly to TubeBuddy for you to install if you want. And that is all I have to say. So thanks for watching.